Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leak stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Right, so the first leak that we are going to be looking at is for the Summer Question Quest. So the reward has been updated. It's still very disappointing, but let's go ahead and look at it. Before the reward had been this, which was pretty disappointing. And then a few days ago, it got added as a parent reward on the parent mobile app. You'd think, obviously, yeah, they're gonna change it since this isn't special anymore. This is the new reward, and it was also added in the parent rewards. That there's pretty much no reason to be excited about the rewards for the Summer Quest unless they change it again. I don't know what Prodigy is trying to do there. This next leak is very cool. We are going to be getting a new pet, and here is the icon for it. So this is going to be a shadow dragon, most likely. So here is what the face of the real shadow dragon is going to look like. And then here is the pet that we are going to be getting. Assume this is going to be a baby version because it looks a lot younger. And also here's the spine, so it does look pretty small. This is a wing, this is the body, face, neck, eyes, shadow icon. So yeah, I think this is going to be a very cool pet. Hopefully it has some good spells so that it's actually usable. This next leak is called UI Segmented Offers. So I don't really know what this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be like something that's gonna pop up, and I guess it's going to like offer you Magicoin, pet slots, and pet gear. And I guess you're only gonna have one chance to capture, or not capture, to like claim this offer. Now there is also some audio associated with it. I'm not going to show it because there's nothing important in it. Like one of them is just two pop sounds, one of them's like what you'd imagine a claim reward sounds like, and then the other one is like a sparkle sound. Now we also have some stuff to look at in the data. Right here it says segmented offers, special offer, offer header unlocks special rewards for a limited time, extra rewards plus extra rewards. I don't know what those extra rewards are supposed to be. And there's stuff about the treasure track quest completed, it says that again, and then it says you earned blank treasure points. So I guess they're gonna like tell you how many treasure track points you got from when the thing pops up. Okay, so the final thing we are going to be looking at is some updated descriptions for some buddies, and this could have some future, it could like show some stuff that's going to happen in the future, so let's go ahead and look at them. Okay, so right now we are looking at the description of the baby reindeer, and what was removed is sold during Winterfest. So I don't know why this was removed. It could mean that we are going to be getting, or like it's not going to be sold during Winterfest and we're going to be getting it some other way, like through the treasure track or as a reward from like the festival rewards that they do, which hopefully it's not that. Now this is the same thing that happened to the penguin, the baby snowman, and then the snow ermine's description was updated to snow ermine are super chill and super fun to be around. They can't wait to go on new and exciting adventures. They removed the part about it being found in Crystal Caverns, which it was never found in Crystal Caverns. So hopefully this means that we'll see it in Winterfest through finding it in or buying it, or in the shop during the treasure track when Winterfest is going on, or in the festival rewards. The snow puppy was made non-member, And the part about it being only gifted in member boxes was removed because you can get it in, or you could get it in the treasure track. Lock this monster. Move the part about the gifted from member boxes. The moose removed, sold during Winterfest. The snowflake removed, sold during Winterfest. Benny Bunny removed, gifted from a member box. Ruin Rabbit was updated to this unique type of rabbit. It's extremely rare and only found in ancient ruins because it is now obtainable, or it was obtainable through teacher rewards. It did say that you could find it in Harmony Island, or only in Harmony Island. The hedgehog, they just fixed a grammar mistake or something, I guess. There were 2 lets in it. The double puppies description was updated to what's better than 1 puppy, 2 cute puppies magically fused together. Blaze just got rid of this Y, so it's grammatically correct. Are you ever chilly? It was, are you every chilly? Stormy was gifted from a member box, removed. Polar bear, gifted from a member box, removed. The alien dog was made non-member, which is true because yesterday I was not able to put on the alien dog, but today I can. The pirate parrot removed, gifted from a member box. Blue Fury Mag Mayhem or Drencher was updated as a pet, or I guess as a buddy. It didn't say Drencher. It now does, and the description has Drencher instead of Blue Fury Mag Mayhem. I don't know if it was still called Blue Fury Mag Mayhem in the pet book, or not in the pet book, in the backpack. Polar Tide's description was updated to say Polar Tide stays hidden during the warmer months. The Lucky Sea Dragon now has a Y. I don't know if that was true, but it also says that it had the description of the Lucky Gold Pot, which I'm not sure if that was true either. But now it says sailors that manage to spot one of these rare creatures are considered themselves lucky for the rest of their lives. The next one, Little Teacup. The I is now lowercase. It's called Backpack Configuration. I think this is supposed to be an item. It has not been added to the game. It's an item called Pet Slots, which has been updated to say each pet slot gives you space for 1 more pet in your pet book. But this item has also been removed from the game. But yeah, that is really all I have to talk about today, so that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.